Good morning to all. Today I'll be discussing about another topic of professional ethics, which is contempt of court. So basically, contempt of court is not an exhaustive definition. In general, it's any disrespect to the authority or disobedience to the order of the court or disturbance to the proceedings of the court. So if the proceeding has been going on and you're continuously making a ruckus in the courtroom while sitting there as an audience or while participating as one of the counsels, then in such cases, all of these instances are considered as contempt of court. Now, there are two types of contempt. So, it's civil contempt and criminal contempt. So, according to the Contempt of Court Act, civil contempt is any willful disobedience to any judgment, any decree, direction, order, writ, or any process of the court. So, basically, it's a willful breach of an undertaking given by the court. So, disobedience of an order in cases those courts which have jurisdiction and they have summoned you or they have given you an order and you are purposely not following that order, then all of this is considered as civil contempt. Now the punishment is given under section 12, which says that you can either be imprisonment, which the term which may not extend up to 6 months, you can be fined, which can extend up to 2000, or you can be imprisoned and you can be taken fine. Now, one of the most important form of contempt is criminal contempt. Now, Section 2 defines criminal contempt as publication of any matter by words spoken or written, or by signs, or by visible representation or otherwise, or doing of any other act which either scandalizes or lowers the respect of the court. It interferes with the due judicial proceedings. It interferes or obstructs or tend to obstruct the administration of the justice, or publishing anything oral or writing which is against the respect of the court. So the punishment for criminal contempt is basically the same as that of civil contempt. Now, when you talk about the differences between civil contempt and criminal contempt, so you have to understand that criminal contempt is very serious in nature because it connotes with those things that you are not supposed to do as a lawyer. But in civil contempt, usually you are given either a warning or a simple fine is taken. So, this is a general introduction of civil and criminal contempt under Contempt of Court Act.